Hey guys, this is the help screen and this is how to fix Meta Business Suite app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first, just open up the Google Play Store and then just search for Meta Business and then just open the application. So guys, when this application have an update, you'll be able to update it over here. So for the first solution, just ensure that you have the latest version of the app. And now guys, for the second solution, just go to the settings. And then from here, just tap on the apps. And from here, just find or search Business Suite. And just tap on it. And from here, just tap on storage. And guys, make sure to clear the cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix the application. But guys, if that doesn't work, the third solution will be reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application from your device. And once you have uninstalled it, guys, all you have to do is just go to the Google Play Store again and install the application back to your device. And then from there, you should be able to have a working Meta Business Suite application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!